Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be making a concealer. Now you guys have been requesting this video for such a long time, but I was like finding out tips and tricks as to what to do, how to do it, and I also tested out all of these tricks so they work perfectly for you. On this side we've got one mixture, on this side we've got another mixture of concealer. Now these work for at least 24 hours, and all you gotta do is just mix a few items together and you are good to go. So if you want to know what to do, how to do, and when to do it, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, today I'm going to show you two methods on how to create a concealer for your face. The first method is that you're going to take some of your foundation and have to mix it with some of your face cream, like that. So I've got a little of both, and then with some setting spray, and you're good to go. So I've got my brush here, and I'm just going to be mixing these things together. You gotta just mix and mix and mix. Just continue mixing until you feel it's right. Like now I feel it's right, and then you're going to apply on your skin. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm going to blend everything out. So that's what it's going to look like. I put it on my whole face because there is foundation in it, but if you want you can just use it on your eyes or the areas that need to be corrected. I just used it all over. The next method is exactly the same. You take foundation at the back of your hand. Now you're going to take some of your translucent powder. This one is a whole lot better because there's a lot more coverage on it. And then you're going to mix. There's a hell of a lot of more coverage on this one. This one went a bit lighter because of the color of the powder, so it went a little lighter on the skin tone. This side feels a bit tighter because of the setting spray. This side feels a bit more refreshed and like replenished kind of feeling. So, but the side over here has got a lot more coverage as compared to the side over here. Like this side looks very bland, like with very little coverage. So guys, this is what it looks like on the side. It is fairly good, it's fairly okay, but if you're looking for something with a lot more coverage, I suggest you go in with the mixture on the side. So this is just your foundation and your setting powder mixed together, or even you can use your powder that you use to set your whole face, like the same color powder as your normal skin tone. On this side I've just got my face cream mixed with my foundation and a little bit of setting spray in order to lock everything together. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.